Hi, my name is Anders. I'm a designer here at UMAGE, and today we're assembling our portable table light Asteria Move. But first, let's take a look at the content. This is the Asteria Move. Comes in on one of our gift boxes. Start by taking off the sleeve. And here you'll find the actual box. It's a nice decorative box that you can reuse to store your most beloved items, whatever you want to put in there, but you can reuse it. And here we have a little bit of info about how to charge the product. It can be charged with USB cable or with our unifier, which is a wireless charging system. We'll have a user guide here, and of course some electronic waste guidance, but hopefully you won't throw this out. So the first part here is the top of the lamp with the LED panel inside. You'll find your charger and a cable, which is USB-C. And also the center pole here. There we go. And also a tiny top piece. Be careful not to throw this little part out, because it actually goes on the lamp at the very end. And underneath all of this you have the bottom, the base of the lamp, which has your on-off switch here, also used for dimming the light, and of course your USB connector. If you just put this on our wireless charging product called the unifier, it will charge wirelessly. And what you do from here is simply screw the components together. Doesn't matter which way. You go through the user guide. A lot of this is just info about electronics, but a little past the middle you have all the content and also the steps here. So we're here, just put on the rod onto the base, and now on goes the top. Same way, just screws together like this. Don't have to go too tight, just make sure no slack. And then in the end, this little piece that you hopefully didn't throw away. There we go. That's it. Now there's only left to charge the lamp. This is a standard USB charger. Comes with the cable suited for the product. And of course, this goes in your wall outlet, and it takes 3 hours to charge, and then you're good for several hours of light, depending on the brightness setting you use. Solid red means it's charging. When it's done charging, it will go to a solid green. And when it only has 15% of battery life left, it will start blinking red. So that way you know. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the product, and if you have any more questions, you can always write to us on info@umage.com.